Hello, friends. Good morning. This morning I was reading this book titled How to Win Friends and Influence People for my upcoming book club this weekend. Something which I found in this book was so profound that I couldn't stop myself uh, to share with you guys. The couple of chapters of this book talked about the concept of criticism and being recognized or being praised. Somewhere I realized that over the so many of years I have been doing something which is fundamentally wrong. Whenever I found people not up to the mark or lacking in some of the work areas, I was very blunt and critical about it. I always thought that telling people at the face that this is not correct is the right way to take things forward. But this book opened my brain's wire today. And this book simply puts this thing forward that psychologists have mentioned that amongst the need of food, sleep, rest, the need of being important or need to be recognized as important and being appreciated comes as equal to all other needs. So if this need is so important for human being, how much we are doing to fulfill the need of this requirement of human beings? How often we sincerely praise or recognize the effort of the people that they are putting into their work and their personal walks of life? There is a saying, and which is a proven fact, that criticism has never worked. It doesn't change people, it impacts people negatively. At the same time, if you sincerely recognize the effort of the people, sincerely praise people, that does wonders to them. Because one sincere praise can have a long lasting impact on human brain. People will not forget the sincere praise even after multiple years in their life. So this book very efficiently and very simply puts this forward, that do not criticize people. There must be many reasons why people are behaving in a certain way. If you have to do a real service to people, and if you want really people to become more efficient and productive, do a sincere praise. At the end of the chapter 2, author also talks about the difference between sincere praise and flattery. And the main difference between these two is, one is honest, one comes from heart. The other is dishonest and it comes from teeth. So friends, this is the biggest outcome that I took from this book, and it's a learning for me. And going forward, I would also resort to honest appreciation and honest and sincere feedback to people. Thank you so much. I thought that this might help you as well, so thought of sharing. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.